everybody.
Hello.
It is Walmart Beauty Box time.
And this box is a surprise, not just for you, but for us too.
Walmart Beauty Box is one of those things that you never really have any clue when it's coming. It does come once a quarter, sometime during that quarter, although I do think this is the winter box.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, because I think the last one I had was the fall box, and I didn't get it till like December or something like that.
So you get the season in the next season, it sounds like. You get the previous season in the next season.
But with the items that come in, it really doesn't matter, you know.
Oh yeah, it's like beauty products.
That's right. And it's never anything, what's the word I want to use? It's never anything that will...
It's not super exciting stuff, but it's practical, which is even better, especially at a time like this.
Exactly. Oh, if only there were toilet paper in here.
Right. Maybe there are. Maybe there's Kleenex. You can substitute Kleenex for toilet paper. You have to.
But the Walmart Beauty Box is, well, actually they say it's free, but it is $5 for shipping and handling. And it just comes with, like she said, like Rebecca said, very practical items. And yeah, so this was kind of a fun part of the day because I wasn't expecting it. So we said, well, we'll pop on here and we'll do this. So, like I said, here's the box with their pretty little Walmart emblem.
I actually like the Walmart emblem better drawn in lipstick, like it is on the box.
Yes, and
ooh, that's some good stuff in here.
And I see something that says makeup. I don't know if you can see that. I
I
don't want it
do
to tumble out. What is the... Here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days, which might be me today. Here's to you. Okay. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in here.
Okay.
So let's get started.
I'm going to go for this. This is dry conditioner. Leaves hair nourished and touchably soft for times when washing is not part of the plan, but beautiful hair is. I think I can make use of this because I've been trying to work with styling my hair and stuff lately. But I usually shower at night, so if I'm going somewhere fancy in the morning, I don't want to have to necessarily get up extra early to fix my hair and wash it and everything. So this could come in handy.
And it's conditioner. I've never heard of dry conditioner.
Me either. So it's different than dry shampoo. So this just softens and smooths your hair. I think I might like that. Although I'm claiming it as if it's my own.
She can have it because I don't really do the dry shampoo because it's, I don't know, I can never seem to get it to work, and I don't really like the way it does my hair and everything. So that's good. You are welcome to it.
Thank you.
All right. So pulling out the next thing, Lumify. Bausch & Lomb Lumify, I guess these are eye drops.
Bausch & Lomb is an eye care.
Yes, redness eye drops, which for this time of year with all the pollen that we have in the southeast.
Yeah, eye drops aren't cheap either.
No.
So that's good.
And I actually think I've gotten these in a Walmart box before. So
that's a good item.
And it's I know it looks tiny, but really for eye drops.
You don't want to squeeze a big stream of them in your eye, or at least I don't.
Exactly. Okay, so, you know, we can set this in the bathroom for whoever needs them. All right.
I'm going to go for this makeup thing next. This says Makeup Crew NYX.
Oh, okay.
Professional makeup.
What is it? What is it?
Oop, I'm tearing up the box. Sorry.
It's all right. We're going to throw it away anyway. We have to have at least one box that we can't get into.
There's 2 in here. It's like they knew we were both going to want it. But it's 2 lip glosses.
Which, if you've watched us before, you know she will probably get both of these as well.
I'm not trying to take your whole box from you.
That's fine. Hey, $5, and if either of us can use it, it's worth. That right there is worth the $5.
So it's 2 similar but different colors. One is soft matte metallic lip cream. The other is soft matte regular, I guess, lip cream. I'm looking to see if it has the colors written on it. This looks like it says Mepwow. Maybe it's this way. Mepwow? Isn't that what it looks like it says?
Oh,
oh, that must be like a serial number or something. Okay, this is California. The color. They're both California. They're just in different containers, but there's what they look like.
Okay. Cool. That's worth the $5 right there.
That is worth it.
All right, now this is Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste. I just sent my husband to the store for toothpaste.
Oh, if only you had known.
I know.
You should call him and tell him.
We get toothpaste quite a bit in this box, and that's good with me. So yeah, there's the Colgate. All right.
Okay.
Happy with that.
So the last item is Dry Skin Therapy Hydra Silk Moisturizer, Curel.
And I think they've said that before as well,
Cool.
which I never look down on getting any kind of
No.
lotion, moisturizer,
Not a
or
bit.
anything like that. So yeah, I was right. This says Winter Wonders. And you can earn a $100 gift card by going on there and telling them what you think about the beauty box.
That would be nice.
I guess this is about going on 2 years that I've gotten this, and it's always kind of fun.
Yeah.
And then here's just the thing about the NYX. Oh, you can top it with a metallic lip cream, is what it was
Okay.
saying.
Okay, so it's a set. You put on a base and then metallic.
Alright, and then here's the thing about the Colgate toothpaste. And the Dove. Oh, there's a coupon for the Dove product too, so if you
And
like it,
$2.
$2 off.
Yeah. I like that.
So that is our Walmart beauty box. By the way, we're Southern Bells, and my
Yes.
name's Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we would love to have you join our family if you haven't
Mhm.
already. To those of you that have, hey, we're so glad you're with us, and we appreciate you very much. If you would, though, if you would like to subscribe and hit the notification bell for whenever any of our videos come out. And we've got quite a few coming up because both of us are waiting on our Stitch Fix.
Yes.
There's like a window of time, and she just got the thing that hers actually has shipped.
Yes. And we've got Stitch Fix coming, Balzano coming, and I just ordered something called a Bibbidi Boppity box, which is like a Disney box. So we've got that coming as well.
And then I've got my quarantine shopping haul.
Yeah.
when everything comes in.
Yeah,
because
it's been bad.
Yeah, I have been
I've
online
been
too
too.
much.
You get bored, and what else do you do?
And there's some really great deals right now
The
too.
companies are taking advantage of everyone being bored at home, needing to
Mhm.
shop online.
And to help them, I'm going to justify it. It helps them out too because
That's right.
their stores have been closed.
We're just
and all.
supporting the economy.
That's right. So until next time, we hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks, y'all.
Bye bye.